Good morning and welcome to another 0 to 60. Today we're in Dave's car.
Yeah, that's right guys, this is my 96 E39 540i, and obviously today we're going to see how quickly it can do 0 to 100.
Now it is a 96 540.
Yeah, 96, so it's pretty much the first of the E39s. Being the 540, it's the m62 4.4 coming up from the m60 from the 4 litre in the E34.
How much power has it got?
210 kilowatts.
And how much does it weigh?
Million.
It weighs a million kilo. It's definitely not sports car by today's standards. However, how fast do you reckon it's going to go?
I will be so annoyed if it doesn't beat the Saab. And driving it around, it doesn't quite feel as towy as the Saab.
Just so the audience knows, Dave has just purchased this car. He's not done the spark plugs. It is as the last owner had it. How many Ks are on it?
150,000. It's just past 150, so it is low for one of these.
It's not in its prime. We might do another run after you've serviced it and all that sort of stuff. Maybe that might be a good idea.
I was thinking that, yeah. But obviously, being a new purchase car, you go through and do everything. I've cleaned it up, tidied it up. I haven't done any mechanical stuff.
Okay, we're going to time the runs with a V-Box Sport, which is like as accurate as you can get. If you think it's going to beat the Saab, let us know in the poll just there.
It's going to be yes.
Right.
Being in Australia, these 540s or E39s, other than the M5, were not available as a manual or with a manual transmission. So this is the ZF 5-speed auto.
Right, let's go do some time runs.
Let's go.
We'll see you shortly. Well, done some runs, and are you happy with the times, Dave?
Look, to be honest, these are factory claims 6.7.
That is honest.
And
what was your car?
8. It was 8.
She's 8.
Looking on the positive side, it was faster than the 96 XJR, which was like Jaguar's really fast car of the same year. This is not BMW's really fast car.
No, you can look like that. It's a good way to look at it. That was their sort of M5 competitor, the Jag's M5 competitor. This isn't the M5, it's just the 540. What's got me though?
Yeah.
It's like, quite often, there's about a second discrepancy between factory claimed and real.
Very often.
But this is over a second.
It is. I think we're gonna... What do you guys think? Do you want to see another run after he's done the plugs and a bit of a service and tune up?
Yeah, I think that's probably going to be a good thing to do. See how close we can get it to that factory claim time.
Did you guys notice how many runs he did? Trying to make sure it wasn't as slow as it really seemed.
Got to be thorough.
Right, in conclusion, David, are you happy with your purchase?
Yeah, I like this car. I'm happy with my purchase. I do love the old 5 Series BMWs. Well guys, thank you very much for watching. If you did like this video, if you like this car, if you want to see more of this car on the channel, please let us know. Hit that like button and hit the subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.
Peace!